Prime Minister Narendra Modi today reached Vientiane in Laos PDR this afternoon to attend ASEAN-India Summit and East Asia Summit. Addressing the 119th annual session of the PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry in New Delhi today, Home Minister Amit Shah has asked industries in the country to increase their scale and size. Renowned industrialist and philanthropist Ratan Tata passed away last night in Mumbai at the age of 86. The National E-Governance Division has announced the integration of the Umang app with DigiLocker to provide citizens seamless access to a wide range of government services. In men's cricket, India stormed to a resounding 86-run victory over Bangladesh in the second T20 International, sealing the three-match series 2-0.